Hey there guys, today we're going to be building this bridge tready right here. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. You want to try and get all of your ties that are going to be for this bridge to be the same size. So when you cut the sidewalls off and fold them down, they're all going to be lining up nice and evenly. So we've just cut up some strips of the tri-tread here, and now we're going to bolt them together. Whenever you're connecting those treads together, use at least 4 bolts so you get a really strong connection. So for a 60cm diameter tire like we got here, that'll give you about an 80cm width of one of these strips when they're not cut. If you need to cut them, you can. We're keeping these ones solid pieces so we can bolt those through, and it's going to be really, really strong. Once you've got 2 of these long strips, which are the 2 connected together, we're then going to cut the steps for this bridge. We're again going to cut the sidewalls off of some car tyres, but this time we're not going to cut them into long strips. We're just going to leave them as hoops, if you like. Now these hoops will determine the width of your bridge, because you're going to flatten those ones down and hold them in place. Then we're going to drill 4 holes at each connection point, so that we're going through the hooped tyre, through the stripped tyre, and then coming out again and going through the other side of the hoop tyre. One thing to keep in mind here is going to be safety. You don't want the gaps in between those steps to be either too small or too large. So it depends on the age of the kids that are going to be using it. Make adjustments for that. Check the Playground Ideas safety handbook for the details on this. That can cause an issue to fall through and get their heads caught. So make sure it's over 25 centimeters, that gap. Clean up all of the ends of those tire treads that you're cutting up so there's no sharp edges or metal pieces sticking out. Use a grinder for that with a grinding disc on it, and that'll keep them all nice and smooth. So we're connecting this bridge to this tire tread cubby house that we're building. To do that, we're connecting it on the sidewall of one of these truck tires. So we're just going to reinforce that by putting a double strip in there. So it's going to have at least 2 connection points, so it'll be much stronger. If you're drilling through metal, it's best to use a smaller bit to start with, and then the actual size of the hole that we want is about 12mm, so come through with that after, keeping your bits sharp, and that'll make your life a lot easier. All of these pieces are made so much simpler when you're using these step-by-step instructions, which are available from the website. Check it out at playgroundideas.org. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.